Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok and Capcut tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create the smile video trend on TikTok using Capcut. If you're new here, then please subscribe to see more videos like this and don't forget to like this video. So this Capcut template makes all your photos smile even when you're not smiling. So as you can see, you have a plain face and then you have a smiling face. So let me show you how to create this smile video trend on TikTok. So to create this video trend, you will need TikTok and you'll need Capcut. Capcut is a free app from your App Store or your Google Play Store. Now to create that video, you want to go ahead and open up TikTok. Next, you want to tap on search here at the top right. Search for Smile Capcut. Now go ahead and tap on the videos which are doing the trend. So as you can see, this video is doing a trend. And this video is doing the trend as well. On the video, what you're looking for is this button here, Capcut, try this template. So once you see it, go ahead and tap on it. This will now show you the template which you're going to use. So go ahead and tap on Use Template in Capcut. This will open up Capcut and will show you the template. So go ahead and tap on Use Template at the bottom right. Here you want to select 4 photos. So select 4 photos of yourself where you're not smiling. Now go ahead and tap on Preview at the bottom right. This will now start to create the video. And once the video is done, it'll show you a preview. So once you're happy with that, go ahead and tap on Export here at the top right. Now here at the bottom, you get 2 options. Go ahead and tap on Save and Share to TikTok. This will now export the video and send it over to TikTok. Here you can add your own sound by tapping on Add Sound. Next, you can add your text, stickers, and any effects you like. And once you're happy with the video, go ahead and tap on Next, and then post that video to your TikTok account. So that is how to create the smile video trend on TikTok using Capcut. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.